कुछ अरसा कबल जब ये वीडियो फेसबुक पर अपलोड की गई तो 2 दिन के अंदर ये सोशल मीडिया पर बेहद वायरल हुई। पाकिस्तान और अरब ममालिक समेत दुनिया भर में देखी गई। चाइना में हमारे एक दोस्त जो स्टूडेंट है ने बताया कि यहाँ चाइनीज़ के कई ग्रुप में शेयर की गई। फेसबुक, इंस्टाग्राम, व्हाट्सएप और ट्विटर समेत कई वेबसाइट्स पर मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म के कमेंट्स हुए। पठानों का एक शरारती टोला जो बड़े मुहज़्ज़ब अंदाज में टूटी फूटी इंग्लिश में एक अंग्रेज़ को नस्वार पर लगाने की तलकीन कर रहा है। आप भी मुलाहिजा कीजिए और इस तरह की मज़ीद वीडियोस के लिए चैनल फ्री में सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को भी दबा दें।
Okay.
No portrait. It is
No.
you feel vomiting. First time it is dangerous. First time. After that, no problem. But first
That makes me excited.
Excited, you know. If you are excited, bro, if you are excited, then you can take this.
Kitna peso?
Yeah, no, it's just free. It's free of cost. It's just for a piece of 10 rupees.
then Pakistani rupees.
Kashira, okay. Kashira.
Just take it. It's not a, drugs type.
No, just
it's not
relax.
Just
relax.
relax. Oh, bro, it's
no,
not for money.
Not
It's
for
not for money.
It is a gift for you.
Bo Kashira. Thank you.
Just for 10
Don't take it because it's
I'll take a little bit.
because he is edited.
Uh-huh.
With it.
Yeah,
are-
but I will
You
talk,
are new.
bro.
Yeah, but I will
Listen,
talk honestly.
Bro, listen. Bro, listen. Just search it on Google.
Yeah.
You will be-
You can
Just-
take
just
it.
a
Yeah. Sometimes in London I'm a naughty boy. Yeah, it's like
Naughty boy. If you are naughty boy, then
so it's,
then
it's
take
okay.
it. Then take it.
Kashira.
It is not too hard, but first time it is
Yeah,
hard.
first time small.
Yes.
Yeah, no, yeah.
When the taste goes inside.
Yeah, so I will have dinner, relax, have some.
Yes, when you relax on room,
Yeah,
that
yeah.
no problem.
Yeah,
but you run and this, you feel
When I down mountain, people want to share hashish, and I like hashish. It's good, but no.
yes. Stamina loose.
If you this stuff is thick, and after some time you will be realized that I will be true. This guy will be wrong.
I think you're right.
Yeah, really. You want to take some picture with you?
Yeah, go.